In this video, I'll show you how to delete transcription AI models from AutoSubs. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, we all know that transcription AI models can take up a good amount of space on your computer. Let's assume you're not using all the models that you've downloaded in AutoSubs. Now, I'm going to open up my AutoSubs. I've already downloaded and installed. Let's just minimize this. And the easiest way to download is by going to the settings and then clicking on models right here. Now, if I click on delete, it may delete or not delete, but you'll see the size of the model that you have, and all the models that you have are going to be here. For some strange reason, it's not deleting. So if that doesn't happen, then all you need to do is come back to settings right here and then click on open logs folder, and then click on the logs and come up here to COM AutoSubs and then click on models right there, and you can see the models that are there. And once you're here, all you can do now is just select the models, shift delete to delete those models, and then I'm going to come back here, close AutoSubs, and then when I open it up, models that are supposed to be here, ticked and all that, are not going to be available. And right here, if you check on the models, there are no downloaded models. For some strange reason, when this is not working, you can navigate to the settings and then go to the open logs folder and delete the models from right here. So as it is, you can see there are no models installed. That's it for this video, and that is how you can delete downloaded transcription AI models in AutoSubs. Thanks for watching.